Hello there everyone, Crypto Elites here. So in this video I just going to discuss some of points about Mt.GOX. Mt.GOX repaying the 142,000 bitcoins its creditors. So is this complete true or is this complete bullshit? Let's discuss it, and we are going to discuss some of other things. And if you know that tomorrow is a Monday, so we will see a good amount of volume coming in Bitcoin. Maybe we see a more volatility in Bitcoin. But if you see the major amount of liquidity that I'm going to show you right here, so let me show you this one. If I show you the weekly liquidation heat map right here on my screen, so if you can see here, the major amount of liquidity stands above us and is almost $63,000 to 64,000 US dollars. So that's the liquidity we are looking at right now. If you see liquidation map, also we can see those almost $600 million of shots liquidation at this area, almost $1 billion right now, almost $1.27 billion right now. So it's too much liquidity, and I think BTC will try to grab this liquidity around that area. And the major sell-off reason in this week is Mt.GOX is going to start repaying Bitcoin to customers, so expecting the selling pressure. But it is real or it's not. Some of sources such as CoinDesk or other like coin, I will not try to mention it right now, but I will show you some reports that saying that Mt.GOX is not going to sell complete of their 142,000 bitcoins into the market to their customers who are be with them at 2014, and they bought bitcoin at just almost $600 per bitcoin. So the 41,000 bitcoin, but only 65,000 Bitcoin will return to the retail investors, and while remaining Bitcoin will be purchased by institutions. And this institutions this institutions contacts retails offering to buy their Bitcoin at fixed rate, around $61,000 we are having currently at. So once this Bitcoin are released, they will go to institutions that have not really an interest in selling and holding, they're holding immediately. Maybe they sell around $120,000 or 100k of Bitcoin, so the lower risk of massive sell off. But we can see some kind of sell off. I'm not saying that we will not witness any sell off in the market, but but BTC will be released on the spot to retails that are ready to sell, but only 65,000 Bitcoin. Almost, I've calculated that almost $390 million or $400 million of Bitcoin. I think that's not that much that bring a major sell off of BTC at $52,000, but it could get worse, at least for $57,000 as he mentioned. So I'm expecting BTC to range bound between 64k to $60,000 in this week, and that's the thing. But but not expecting lots of selling pressure because of the liquidations also still above us. So we see quick sell off, and then we will pump like crazy until 64,000. But still I'm thinking, if you watch Bitcoin, I will show you right now here. So Bitcoin is currently at this range. If you can see it, let me show you this one. So okay, we are creating this kind of pattern, kind of ascending, I can say it, a triangular pattern in Bitcoin. And the if it breaks right now at 30 minutes, in 30 minutes the 4 hours candle is going to close it. So if it breaks in at this, so we are going to test our Monday high right this area at $63,000, $63,500. Almost this area we are going to test it, and our Monday high are almost $64,000. So maybe we check this also, but we need to break this area of almost this area I'm talking about is $63,000, 500, 63,500 or 64,500 Bitcoin ETFs inflows. So if we continue, so we will see a pump in Bitcoin and expecting a moment up at least for $63,500 with that I'm talking by start of this week. So I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin is going to go higher at this point also, because if you can see, I will mentioning this again and again, funding rates are still negative, and if never the fear in the market goes higher, and that time we see a bounce back in BTC, because most of retailers are in fear. Most of YouTubers, you can see, most of YouTubers are talking about $52,000, $58,000. Whenever people start talking about like this, BTC will pump, and I am still thinking that BTC will go higher, and that's the thing, and that's the update for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.